Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. Budgeting 101. The Balanced Money Formula. This method was popularized by Elizabeth Warren. The idea is to spend 50% of your total income on your needs, 30% on your wants, and 20% on saving. The 50 to 20 to 30 method is very simple to maintain, which is why some find it to be among the best budgeting methods. 50%, your needs consist of things like your mortgage, utilities, clothing, groceries, gas, transportation, and healthcare. Basically, these are things you couldn't live without. 30%, your wants are exactly that. Cable TV, internet, dining out, clothing beyond basic necessities, vacations, that shiny new electronics item would all be included in this category. 20%, your savings consist of your retirement goals, emergency fund, and debt repayment. So if you are trying to pay off your credit cards, it would fall into this category. It's a similar concept to what Dave Ramsey advocates with having only a small emergency fund and then foregoing saving further in favor of paying off your debt. Who might like this budget? The point of this method is to not have to budget for every category. You only have the 3 categories to worry about instead of a dozen or 2. So if you are someone who is turned off by the traditional methods of budgeting for every line item or every category, then I encourage you to give this one a try. What to be careful of with this budget? Overspending can be a common occurrence with this budgeting method. Since you aren't budgeting for every line item, it can be easy to spend a little too much on something like food and then forget that you are low on gas in 2 cars and go a little bit over budget. To solve for this, you have to build in some wiggle room in each of your budget categories. That way you can freely move your budgeted wants money to your needs category if you overspend. Check out our other videos that discuss other budgeting options. Pick one and try it. If it doesn't work for you, try another until you find the right one for you at this point in your life. Good luck and keep us updated on how it goes. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.